Did it again. You overdid it with your exfoliants, retinol, and actives, and now you have red, inflamed, flaky, dry skin. Here are my 3 easy tips to restore your moisture barrier. Tip 1, focus on moisturizing your skin. Look for ingredients such as ceramides, fatty acids, and hyaluronic acids. My secret weapon, Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream. It's a rich, creamy moisturizer filled with blended ceramides along with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Tip 2, make sure to use a gentle cleanser. Tip 3, avoid extreme temperatures. And of course, don't forget sun protection.